Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. My name is Mike. Word family. Ool. 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 U. Long U sound. Oo. 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 Ool. R. Ool. Rule. 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 Ya. Ool. Yule. 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 Capital Y. Uppercase Y. Yule is a proper noun, a holiday. This one is different. Mule. Mule. Not mule. 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 Sounds like Y. Yule. Mule. One more time. Rule. 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 Yule. 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 Mule. 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 Okay. Great job. One more time. Rule. Yule. Mule. Great job. I'll see you soon. Bye.